verified. Okay, now I need to go over here and get brother Kenneth. Alright, and oh, is this Taco Bell too? Oh, never mind. Okay. That's good. This is Taco Bell also. Oh, I got another one. I got brother Kenneth.
Sorry?
Brother Kenneth. Okay. Man, this work out good. Brother Kenneth. Okay. He may be my EB. I was hoping not. I don't really want to go down there. Might be. Okay. All right. Hey, can you this thing is still dripping, so I'm gonna get all that sugar on me and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe redo it and
Yeah.
Order for 10.
much better. Thanks a lot. Okay.